Hello and welcome, friends. This is the English Speaking Pro podcast. Today, we will practice 50 daily use English sentences together. These sentences are easy and helpful for everyday life. I want you to listen and repeat after me. That's the best way to learn. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes help us learn. You are here to get better, step by step. Are you ready? Let's start and have fun speaking English today. Hello. How are you? Hello. How are you? Now say it with me. Hello. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. Let's say it together. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Repeat after me. Good afternoon. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Say it with me one more time. Nice to meet you. I wake up early. I wake up early. Now, you try it with me. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. Let's say it together. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. Repeat after me. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I go to work. Let's say it slowly together. I go to work. Can you help me? Can you help me? Now say it with me. Can you help me? Excuse me, where is the bus stop? Excuse me, where is the bus stop? Let's say it together. Excuse me, where is the bus stop? I need some help. I need some help. Repeat after me. I need some help. Could you please repeat that? Could you please repeat that? Say it with me one more time. Could you please repeat that? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now say it with me. Thank you so much. You're welcome. You're welcome. Let's say it together. You're welcome. Sorry, I'm late. Sorry, I'm late. Repeat after me. Sorry, I'm late. Excuse me. Excuse me. Say it with me one more time. Excuse me. I am happy today. I am happy today. Now say it with me. I am happy today. I feel tired. I feel tired. Let's say it together. I feel tired. I like this song. I like this song. Repeat after me. I like this song. I don't understand. I don't understand. Say it with me again. I don't understand. Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? Say it with me. Where is the bathroom? I am at home. I am at home. Let's say it together. I am at home. I am going to work. I am going to work. Repeat after me. I am going to work. How much is this? How much is this? Say it with me one more time. How much is this? Let me tell you a story. Imagine you are at a store. You walk in and say, "Good morning." You look around and see something nice. You ask, "How much is this?" The shopkeeper tells you the price. You smile and say, "Thank you so much." When you leave, you say, "Goodbye. Have a nice day." With just a few sentences, you can talk to anyone, anywhere. Isn't that great? Now, let's review some important sentences together. Say them with me. Hello. How are you? I wake up early. Can you help me? Thank you so much. I am happy today. I don't understand. Where is the bathroom? How much is this? Goodbye. Have a nice day. Practice these every day, and you'll get better and better. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the English Speaking Pro podcast. Listen and speak with me every day. You will grow more confident. Remember, English is for everyone. You are doing great, and you can do this. Let's learn and speak English together. See you next time. Keep smiling and keep speaking English.